Students, welcome to the new class. This is Dr. Sanjana Sharma from the Department of English. In our last class, we finished the essay Third Thoughts by E.V. Lucas. In our today's class, we are going to begin a new essay entitled On the Pleasures of No Longer Being Very Young by G.K. Chesterton. So let us begin the essay. On the Pleasures of No Longer Being Very Young by the famous British essayist Chesterton. Let us first come to know about the life of Chesterton. Chesterton, whose full name is Gilbert Keith Chesterton, was born on May 29, 1874 in Kensington, London, England. During his boyhood, he was sent to St. Paul's School, and later he went to study art at Slade School and literature at University College, London. In 1900, he was asked to contribute a few magazine articles on art criticism and went on to become one of the most prolific writers of all times. He wrote about 100 books. He contributed to about 200 books written by other authors. He has written hundreds of poems, including the epic Ballad of the White Horse. Chesterton has also written 5 plays and 5 novels. He has also contributed 200 short stories to English literature. In spite of his literary accomplishments, he considered himself primarily as a journalist. Chesterton wrote over 4,000 newspaper essays and articles. He wrote for the famous newspapers like Illustrated London News and the Daily News. Chesterton also started his own paper, GK's Weekly. He worked as its editor. Chesterton's second preoccupation was literary criticism. His criticism covers various eminent poets, novelists, and writers such as Dickens and Shaw. His criticism of Robert Browning's work was published in 1903, and in 1911 he published his thoughts and criticism about the famous British essayist Charles Dickens. He also wrote about his views in the book entitled The Victorian Age in Literature about the literature, artists, writers, poets, and novelists of the Victorian era. His other literary criticism works include William Cobbett in 1925. On Robert Louis Stevenson, his criticism was published in 1927. Chesterton was equally at ease with literary and social criticism, history, politics, economics, philosophy, and theology. Chesterton was born as an Anglican, but in the year 1922, he converted to Roman Catholicism. Although he had written on Christianity earlier in his life, like books entitled Orthodoxy, that was published in 1909, his conversion added edge to his controversial writings, and he wrote The Catholic Church and Conversion in 1926 and Avowals and Denials in 1934. After his conversion, he wrote a very famous book entitled The Thing, Why I Am a Catholic, and St. Thomas Aquinas was his another entitlement that was published in 1933. In our next class, we will discuss the essay. We will begin its textual analysis in our next class. So thank you students. Thank you very much.